Fifth grade Excel lesson 72, calculating the volume of a rectangular prism with one or more layers of cubes. Alright, this is volume. So far up to now, you've learned different ways of measuring shapes. You've learned about perimeter, and the perimeter is the measurement of the outside edge of a shape. And then after that, we learned about area. That's measuring the inside of the shape. And actually what you're finding is how many squares make up a shape. That's like your area right there. Now we're going to turn it into a 3D problem and find volume, which means how much space is taken up inside of something. So if this is a box and I put something inside that box, the amount of space that's inside here is the volume of that shape. Okay, the first problem here, let's read the paragraph. It says cubic units are used to measure volume. 1 cubic inch is a cube that measures 1 inch on each side. 1 cubic foot is a cube that measures 1 foot on each side. Compute the volume of each of these rectangular prisms. So if this first one right here was a cubic inch, from here to here would be 1 inch, from here to here would be 1 inch towards the back, and then the height of it would be 1 inch as well. It's a cubic foot, same idea. 1 foot this way, 1 foot, and 1 foot. But we're just going to figure out how many cubic units this has. So here's a cube, and here's a cube. That has 3 cubic units. Go ahead and answer numbers 2 and 3. Pause the video until you're ready to see the solution. Okay, number 2, we've got 1, 2, 3, and then there's 3 in the back. That makes 6 cubic units. Here we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 cubes that make up that shape, so it's 8 cubic units. All right, if you have more than one layer and you can't see all the cubes, well, what we're going to do here is we're going to use the formula for the volume of multiplying this front side, or we call it the length, and then the width, and then the height times each other. And let me show you why that's the case. Let's pretend like this is an apartment building. And let me erase all these off of here. Let's pretend like this is an apartment building, and each one of these is a window that you can see inside to a room, and we want to figure out how many rooms make up this apartment. And there's no hallways or anything in it for this example. So when you walk down this side, here you are, little tiny person here, walking down this side, you count the windows, and there are 5 windows on this side. And then you walk back this way, and you notice that there's 3 windows over here. Well, that means that inside of the building, there's going to be 15 different apartment rooms or offices or something like that on the first floor of the building. And then you look up in the air and you notice there are 2 floors. Well, if there are 15 offices here, and then there's going to be 15 offices there, we can do 15 times 2 is 30. So the simple way of looking at this is that we're going to multiply, let me clear this off, we're going to multiply this measurement, and that measurement right around the corner here. Find out how many are here, find out how many are here, find out how many are there, and then multiply those 3 numbers together. And you can see the answer is 30 cubic units for number 4. Go ahead and try number 5 on your own. Pause the video and turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, remember we're going to go this way, and then the height, okay? So the front of the building has 4 windows. Going back, we have 2 towards the back, and we notice that it has 3 stories to it. You do need to label those and show your work. You can multiply these numbers in any order you wish, and it's going to come out the same. 4 times 2 is 8, and then you multiply that times how many stories you have, which is 3, and 8 times 3 is 24, 24 cubic units. Okay, go ahead and try 6 and 7. Pause the video until you're ready to see the solution. On number 6, 3 across, 2 back, and 1, 2, 3, 4 height on it. And we multiply those together. 3 times 2 times 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So that has 24 cubic units. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 back and 3 high. So we're going to do 9 times 1, which is 9, times 3 is 27. So this shape has 27 cubic units. Thanks for watching.